Alright, hey, it's Pokemon Collector 99 with my friend Semi-Psycho. Remember, subscribe to him. Or I will find you. Anyway, we're gonna show you where all the alternate cars are. This is in level 1. You start from your house and you go to Lisa's school, and there's gonna be a bridge. And you cross that, and then you go...
And then inside the back of the school, right?
Yeah.
Then you just go
to the bridge.
Do that.
And there is your alternate car.
It's called the rocket car. As simple as that.
And the alternate cars usually explode fast. So in our other video, we use infinite. We have our infinite health cheat right now. In our other video, you can find out what cheat that is.
Like crash into the ball. Like right now, if we didn't have that cheat, this guy probably would be like dark smoking already.
Or exploded.
Yeah, probably.
It would have been dead by now.
Yeah, this guy is really light. Yeah. But not all of them are.
But almost all of them are.
No, not really. Just this one is super fast but slow. No, what? I said super fast but slow.
Alright.
Alright.
But yeah. Anyway, next we're gonna show you level 2.
Level 2.
That's gonna be a pretty cool one. It's actually really cool. 1 minute already. Oh my god, okay. So for some reason, well, let me skip it. We might make this into 2 parts, alright? So.
Alright.
Check out our second video if you want to find out what's next.
We're going to do 3 this video and 4 the next video. Most likely.
Where did we go for this one? I forgot.
I remember it's inside the, kind of like the train on the top.
I know where it is, it's just...
You don't know how to get there, huh?
Yeah, I forgot. Don't you have to take the freeway to it?
No, you don't need to take the freeway to get this. Oh, focus. It's not focusing.
Is it blurry?
Yeah.
Alright, sorry if it's blurry. My camera just doesn't like to focus today. I just went in a complete circle.
Congratulations!
Wait, no I didn't.
You went nowhere.
I go onto downtown freeway.
This is available in HD. No, I'm just
not.
playing. Seriously, this is not.
It just cost $2.
Yeah, right. Man, focus.
Oh my god, stupid cars, out of my way!
Crashing into cars. Focus!
Yeah, I should have taken a faster car because we finished this game. Like I said before. Like we said before, we finished this game. Should have taken a faster car.
Yeah, well... Are you sure? Do you know where you're going?
I think this is it. If it's not, then... Oh, well. Then tough luck for you guys. Oh, yeah, this is it. Oh.
Okay, now you have to go up the stairs.
It's the police line, but you jump over it. And you go up the stairs. And
Wait, would do that.
Guess what? There's a monorail train thing that you can steal.
Isn't that awesome? But you only get to steal the front part, not the whole train.
Yeah.
That'd be so awesome if you could.
I know.
Whee! And this is the monorail.
This is the monorail. Alright, we're gonna show you level 3 now. Sorry, we're trying to get past this because we don't want to waste time.
Wasting.
It's already 5 minutes. 4 minutes, actually.
Yeah, I bet they can see that. Focusing, grandma, focus!
Focus, okay? Calm down. For this one...
I'm sorry about the...
Crappy H quality?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, this isn't the dock.
It's crappy. This one's kind of far away, but at least we know where it is. Yeah. Exactly. And
whoa! That was the best thing that I've ever seen.
Come on,
Lisa's garden. It's focused, okay, Jasser? You don't need to focus it.
I like cookies.
Yeah, he does. What? Oh, come on, are you serious?
Mm-hmm. I like cookies, I'm serious.
No, not you. Out of my way, people.
And then you go on the big ramp and crash this sign without dying.
And I die.
And then you don't want to see the end of that.
You go into the Doc plays Pierre,
Yeah.
and you.
This one is really cool. Oh, you missed the shortcut.
I don't care.
Well, go on the left, and then you
And
stop.
then there's a ramp, and you go onto the big ship. Can I make it? And I did make it. All right, now I'm just gonna reverse into there.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It doesn't- Oh, that was cool.
All right, now you go
You're
over
going the wrong
here
way.
to the. Oh, right. You go over here, and then you double jump and get on top of there. Don't you go this way now?
Yeah.
Nope.
No, you don't. You go.
I'm going the wrong way. I don't even know where to go anymore.
No, take a right there.
Oh, right there. And
then
then
see those
2 boxes, right?
Three
there.
boxes.
3 boxes. And you double jump into one, and then you jump onto the first one, and then double jump onto there.
And here's where you have
stuff.
to be careful.
Yeah.
You don't really have to jump on the first one. You can just. Here's where you. Oh, Sunday.
You have to
Here's
be
where you have to be careful.
And
kinda.
there is your ship alternate car.
The motorboat car.
Motorboat. Yeah.
And then he crashes into the wall.
Good thing I have an infinite health.
And then he
key.
crashes into another.
What sucks about
And then
this
he
car is
crashes
it
again.
can't go into the water like any other car.
Yeah, it can't go into the water.
Anyway, if you cheat the alternate car, it's gonna be that red brick car for each level.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Thanks for watching.
Wait.
See you next time.
No,
This has been
I
Semi-Psycho and
I think we can do one more.
no.
Yeah, cause we have 4 minutes, 3 minutes, dude. Can make it. We'll make part 2 into my semi-psycho friend here.
Die.
Your parts for level 5, level 6, and level 7.
This one's quite easy. We showed you this one in the last video.
Yeah. But
We'll
just
show
in
it
case you
again.
didn't see it,
Yeah. We'll just show
you
you.
go.
You just go in the shortcut.
Wait, don't we go this way? No, we're going the wrong way. Holy crap.
No.
Alright, I'm sorry. I'm stupid today.
Yeah, he admits it.
Yay! I'm stupid. I'm stupid.
You're very stupid. And then I have to hold this camera for 7 minutes. Or more. Hurry up.
One more.
Bakugan dude, whatever.
Bakugan Collector 99.
Yeah, who cares? Hurry up, it's 7 minutes.
Who cares, semi-psycho?
Let's see if I can pronounce my name.
You go this way. Oh wow, I barely even touched him.
And then you get arrested.
I don't care. As long as he has enough time. Move.
They were retarded driving schools.
The police crashed into it. Alright, he's dead. Alright, so while you go in here,
I'm going to try to like the RV near the road.
and you get out in here. Marge went to jail for kicking people, and she still does it because it's fun. Hey, not in here, people. And you get an not an RV, a 4-wheeler.
Like a quad
ATV?
racing. A little quad bike.
Whee!
And it's pretty hard to use, especially if you're using any cheats on.
Yeah.
Wait, can I see its horn? What kind of quad bike has a horn?
Alright, so we're gonna make it into the next part for my semi-cycle friend in part 2, alright? Bye.
My name's Semi-Psycho. Alright, bye.